Okay, first question. He must be treated like or as any ordinary citizen.
Like
Like
Why?
वो एक कॉमन मतलब स्पेसिफिक से नहीं, स्पेसिफिक से कंपैरिजन नहीं हो रहा है।
नहीं, देखिए, the rule says use like for comparing nouns and use as for comparing everything else. यहाँ तो कंपैरिजन नाउन से ही चल रहा है ना भाई, एज any ordinary citizen, that's a noun, right? We must be treated like any ordinary citizens. We need to choose like. Am I making sense,
yes.
Pranay ji?
ओके सर।
Next, he must be treated like or as any ordinary citizen would be in a similar situation. Yes, what do we need here?
लाइक ही आएगा
And
भाई like क्यों आएगा?
सर, क्योंकि आप इधर भी तो सिटीजन का ही कंपैरिजन हो रहा है।
वो नाउन नहीं रहा।
It's comparing whatever we choose here, it's actually comparing these two clauses. He must be treated like or as any other citizen would be in a similar situation. So it's clause 1 and clause 2. So we need as, because we can use like only for comparing two nouns. This here we are not comparing nouns, here we are comparing two different clauses. And that's why we choose as. Make sense?
ऊपर अपन ऑर्डिनरी सिटीजन को कंपेयर कर रहे थे विद ही।
Yes, we have used a pronoun, like we can even use a noun. John must be treated like or as any ordinary citizen. Now tell me, here we are comparing nouns,
John.
right?
Yes.
Here we are comparing John with any ordinary citizen. So basically, we are comparing two nouns. But in this case, question number 2, even if we replace like he with John, we are comparing John must be treated any ordinary citizen would be in a similar situation. So it's an entire clause, right? Second part is a clause. Its second one is a clause. So to compare clauses or everything else except nouns, we use as. That's the rule. Everything else except nouns or pronouns, we use as. Fine? Okay. Common sense would suggest that the management could have done much more to prevent the talks from collapsing as or than it did.
Then.
It's simple, right?
Yes.
More, since we have more, so basically we are using comparative degree. So we need that. We cannot use as. I mean, we can use as in the sense of as much as high as, but that's a different kind of construction, right? Here we have simply, since we have more, the construction is more x than y. Make sense? Okay. The NYPD believes that it has controlled crime better this year than 2011.
तो इसमें कंफ्यूजन था, या तो यही सही है या फिर ये इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, द NYPD believes that it has controlled crime better this
Year.
controlled crime this year better than 2011.
Okay. So
This
problem
year
here
than in 2011.
sorry, then
In 2011.
exactly, than in 2011. Basically, when you are writing than in 2011, what you are trying to write exactly is than it did in 2011. Rest of the sentence remains same. The NYPD believes that it has controlled crime better this year than it did in 2011. or than in 2011. I would say go for this, than it did in 2011. Right? Am I making sense?
Yes.
Pranay ji?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As or like the University of Pennsylvania, several other higher education institutes like Boston University and University of North Carolina are increasing their focus on global leadership programs.
Like.
Like, it's simple. University of Pennsylvania is a proper noun, right?
Hmm.
So there
Yes.
is no confusion. We need a like here. Excuse me. John's shirt, like that of his brothers, is pink in color. Yes.
Like that of his brothers.
मैंने ऐड कर दिया था इसमें.
Oh, shirt is a noun.
Hmm.
Yes.
So what's wrong here?
सर मतलब ये थोड़ा मतलब इनअप्रोप्रिएट सा लग रहा है.
ऐसा भी लिख
Inappropriate.
सकते हैं. Unlike his brother, John's shirt is pink in color.
हाँ.
Sorry, like.
Unlike his brother, John's shirt is pink in color.
Why do we need to use unlike? You have
Unlike
changed
तो
the
नहीं है,
entire
वो
meaning
तो
of the
ऐसी है.
sentence. The problem, see, the problem here is simply we are comparing John's shirt, and now after like we have used that. I'm sorry. So basically, we are comparing John's shirt with that of his brother. But then the problem here is we have used an apostrophe s as well. So basically, we are showing possessive twice, like John's shirts something, maybe length or like fitness. John's shirts fitness. Am I making sense? So
Yes.
what I'm trying to say here is we need one of these two. So either it can be like this, John's shirt like that of his brother is pink in color. Pranay, does it make
या
sense?
फिर हाँ या फिर like his brothers.
Exactly. So either this or John's shirt like his brother's is pink in color. Either of them is right. Make sense? Neha ji?
Yes.
Pranay?
हाँ सर.
So now the comparison is proper. Here that is referring back to shirt. Okay. And here John's shirt we are comparing it with his brothers. So basically the implied is brother's shirt. Okay. We don't write or need to write like his brother's shirt, but that's the meaning, intended meaning, right? Okay. Let's move ahead. Like many politicians, the senator's promises sounded great but ultimately led to nothing.
Unlike
Sorry?
unlike many politicians.
See, you are changing the meaning of the sentence by replacing a like with an unlike. Just try to read the sentence with unlike. Unlike many politicians, the senator's promises sounded great but ultimately led to nothing. You have completely changed the meaning. What the sentence is trying to say, like it is the case with many politicians, the senator's promises sounded great but ultimately led to nothing. Like essentially the sentence is trying to say that senator is not, or the senator is like many other politicians, while when you use unlike you have completely reversed the meaning of the sentence.
Yes.
If you use unlike, then you are trying to say that the senator is different or unlike many other politicians. Am I making sense? See, this topic is comparison. All you have to care about is whether you are comparing apples to apples and oranges to oranges. The problem here is when you say like many politicians, so basically you are comparing many politicians with whatever comes like here. So basically what comes here is promises. So you are comparing many politicians with promises. Is that a fair comparison, like an apple to apple comparison?
No.
What do we need? We need something like those of many politicians, comma, the senators promises. Now this those basically refers to promises. So we are comparing promises of many politicians with the promises of senator. Now the comparison is fair, apples to apples.
Hmm.
Am I making sense?
हाँ.
Yes.
Cool. Marine zoologists maintain that porpoises have powers of attention more sustained than that of chimpanzees. What's the problem here? Yes, sir. Come on.
Porpoises मतलब क्या होता है?
I don't care.
हाँ,
I
मैं
don't know and I don't care. It does not matter in the context of the sentence. See, even if we know the meaning of porpoises, that's not, I mean, making any difference to a sentence. Like, even if you know the meaning of porpoises, there might be hundreds of other words that you might not know the meaning of, but even then you need to deal with them in the actual exam. So this is something like distractions. Just like, don't focus on the distractions. Focus on the task at hand. Yes. Come on. Come on. You should be able to tell that. You have done many questions like that. Okay. Marine geologists maintain that porpoises have powers of attention more sustained than that of chimpanzees. So what the sentence is comparing? The powers of attention of porpoises with that of chimpanzees. Is there anything wrong here as far as comparison is concerned?
नहीं सर, मतलब
No.
comparison हो रहा है, but
Of course there is wrong. The problem is that is singular. While here we have
Then
powers.
those of sentences.
So we need a plural pronoun here. So we need those rather than that. So it should be more sustained than those of chimpanzees. It makes more sense now.
correct.
Yes.
वो ऊपर वाले में मैंने that लगा दिया था.
Which one?
7th वाले में भी दोस्त था ना, तो वहाँ पे भी that लगाया था पहले.
Question number. Tell me the question number.
7.
7.
हाँ, उसमें भी like those.
Yes, because there are promises. So it has to be plural. So like those of many politicians, right? Make sense? Hello?
हाँ सर.
Yes.
Okay, let's move ahead. The cost of a year at college these days is greater than a house.
That of
That of house.
Right. So you can clearly see that you are comparing cost with house. So you need the cost of a house than that of a house. Okay. Charlie's assumption, unlike James's, was that the customers would attend the workshop just because the head of business was conducting it.
Unlike James, Charlie's assumption.
Sorry.
Assumption was that.
Can you please repeat what you are trying to say?
first और second clause interchange रहेगा बस.
It does not matter. That's fine. That does not make much of a difference. Is the comparison correct or not? Yes.
No.
Why?
James or assumptions to compare it.
Sorry, what we need to compare? See.
James के assumptions और Charlie's के assumptions को compare करना है.
So yeah. So and what the sentence is doing? That's exactly what the sentence is doing. We can write this sentence as Charlie's assumption, unlike James says assumption. Isn't that what the sentence is trying to say? We don't need to write this assumption like it's redundant, but that's the meaning of the sentence, right? The first part of the sentence.
Yes.
What is wrong here? We are comparing Charlie's assumption with the assumption of James. Should be fine. So the sentence is correct as it is. There is nothing that need to be changed in this sentence.
Okay.
Making sense?
Hmm.
Okay, let's move to the next one. Between the two movies, one from the horror genre and one from the comedy genre, the horror one is best. Yes. Come on.
सर मतलब
तो
ये
यहाँ पे एंड अनदर नहीं आना चाहिए.
Where?
One from the horror genre and another from the comedy genre.
Okay, but still, what is the problem here? Grammatically looking at it. I mean, that is fine. You can write it that way as well, but this is also correct. And one from the comedy genre, that is also fine. There is nothing grammatically.
the horror one is the best आएगा क्या?
Sorry, the horror one is the best.
हाँ.
First of all, you need to decide whether we need a best here. What is best?
हाँ मैं समझ गया. better horror one is better. अगर
Best
वहाँ
is
पे
superlative degree.
हाँ
Good, better,
best.
and best. Good, like it is for single thing that you are telling. He's a good boy. John is a good boy. John is a better boy than Sam. Now you have two things that you are comparing here. When you have more than two, so either three or more than three, then you need to use the superlative degree. This is comparative degree, right? So since we are comparing only two things here, why do we need best here? Am I making sense?
हाँ.
Yes.
What we need is
better.
better. Simple. The horror one is better. That's it. Okay. Hello.
हाँ sir.
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on.
Say two sentences and my tell someone.
हाँ सर इसमें ये इसमें ये होगा. ये मोर परप्लेक्सिंग इसलिए इनकम्प्लीट लग रहा है बिकॉज मतलब अपन किसी से कंपेयर कहाँ कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
Right to die is certainly the most perplexing आएगा.
Okay. Let's look at it. Of the numerous decisions facing the Supreme Court this term, the question of an individual's right to die is certainly the more perplexing. Of the numerous decisions, aren't we comparing? For example, if I say John is the best
among all. इसलिए वहाँ पे most आएगा शायद.
Here, if you look at it, of the numerous decisions, what is implied is the decisions are more than three, at least three or more than three, right? It is not two. Otherwise, it would have been written like of the two decisions. Nehaji, am I making sense?
Yes.
So numerous means multiple. And we are comparing this particular decision, like that comes in the second clause, to all the other decisions facing the Supreme Court. That means we need a superlative degree, right? What we have used in the original sentence is more, which is comparative. What we need here is most. Make sense? Of the numerous decisions facing the Supreme Court this term, the question, see, it's basically something like that inverted sentence we read somewhere in the first class, I guess. Through the bridge crosses thousands of cars every day, right? If we start this sentence with the question of an individual's right to die is certainly the more perplexing, and then this of thing should be here. then it would make sense to you, right?
Yes.
Am
Correct.
I making sense?
Hmm.
So you got confused just because they changed the order of the clauses.
हाँ मेरे को इसमें दो चीज लगी, एक तो ये मोस्ट तो लगाया था रीजन भी क्योंकि वो अमंग सब में से कंपेयर कर रहे थे, फिर दूसरा मुझे मोर परप्लेक्सिंग वाज इनकम्प्लीट लग रहा था कि जब वो यूज कर रहे थे तो किससे कंपेयर होता, मतलब देन आना चाहिए था, सो आई थॉट कि वहाँ मोस्ट ही आएगा.
Exactly. Nehaji, it makes sense to you now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, just give me a moment. Okay. So, what is the sentence saying? Unlike the name recognition of Albert Einstein, Linus Pauling. What is the problem here with the original sentence? The problem is it's comparing the name recognition with Linus Pauling,
Hmm.
right? While it should be comparing Albert Einstein with Linus Pauling or name recognition of Albert Einstein with name recognition of Linus Pauling. Make sense? Then
Correct.
only it would be apples
Yes.
to apples or oranges to oranges. So the problem is this Linus Pauling is in the non-underlined portion. We cannot change that. We have to change something in the underlined portion. Of course, the original sentence is wrong. Not as Albert Einstein's recognizable name. Again, same issue. Unlike Albert Einstein, Linus Pauling. This makes sense because it's comparing Albert Einstein with Linus Pauling. Let's look at other options. Unlike those who recognize Albert Einstein's name, again, we are comparing actually not the name here,
Name. But
but
लोग,
the
people.
those. Unlike those with Linus Pauling, while we intend to compare Linus Pauling with Albert Einstein. So this is also a problem. As it is not of Albert Einstein, I don't know what it is comparing. It is comparing something of Albert Einstein with Linus Pauling, which is obviously incorrect because we have off here, right? We are left with option C. Unlike Albert Einstein, Linus Pauling, blah blah blah. Make sense?
Hmm.
Next question. Mercury lacks a substantial atmosphere, unlike the other planets in solar system having such a small size and proximity to the sun. Yes, what's the problem here? The whole construction is messed up actually.
हाँ वो अजीब सा लग रहा था.
Right? If you look at the options, what are the options which clearly stands out as comparisons?
B और E था. B और E था.
Sorry. B, C, and E.
Hmm.
Right? Let's look at them first. Unlike the other planets in the solar system, Mercury lacks a substantial atmosphere because of its small size and proximity to the sun. Seems okay. Let's look at other options. Unlike all the planets, if we are talking about all the planets, does it not include Mercury as well?
Correct.
Right? That's why they have used other planets here because we are talking about all the planets except Mercury. He says, unlike the other planets in the solar system, Mercury has no substantial atmosphere. Okay, and they have ended it with a semicolon because it has such small size and proximity to the sun. Well, basically, if they wanted it to be a correct sentence, why did they need this semicolon? Plus, it has such a small size. I mean, okay, it has a small size, such a small size, till then it's fine. But then if we read it has such proximity to the sun, that seems very odd, right? Such proximity. I mean, this part is common to whatever comes after this line, right? So it has such
Yes.
small size and such proximity to the sun. That does not make sense. Also, this semicolon is problematic. Let's look at A and D. A says Mercury lacks a substantial atmosphere unlike the other planets in the solar system having such. So basically solar system is having such a small size and proximity to the sun because that's the sense I'm getting. Like this after comma, whatever this phrase is coming, having such a small size and proximity to the sun, that seems to be modifying solar system, right? Although that in itself is incorrect, but the basic problem is it seems to be modifying whatever comes before the comma. That is the problem here. Mercury lacks a substantial atmosphere, unlike all the planets. Same problem. Because all the planets again include Mercury. What we are left with? We are left with only option B. That's right. Make sense?
Yes.
Hmm.
Let's move on. Unlike its competitors Globex and Mondocorp, the revenues of Galactic Enterprise. What's wrong here? Can you already spot something wrong?
हाँ, it's इसको refer कर रहा है.
More than that, basically, unlike its competitors Globex and Mondocorp, basically, and after the comma it comes the revenue. So basically, the sentence is comparing revenues with these companies,
हाँ.
right? So of course that is incorrect comparison. Next is Globex and Mondocorp, its competitors, the revenues, again same issue apart from other issues.
Yes.
Its competitors, Globex and Galactic Enterprises, increased its revenue by cornering the widget market in the fourth quarter by making Galactic Enterprises the world's most profitable company and the darling of Wall Street. Seems okay. Let's keep it. He says Globex and Mondocorp, its competitors, Galactic Enterprises, increased its revenue by cornering, making. Okay, I don't know. Let's keep this as well. He says, unlike its competitors, Globex and Mondocorp, the revenue again problem. So now we are left with C and D. What is the difference between C and D? You guys might say, like, here we have its competitors before the company's names, and here we have its competitors after the company's name. That's not much of a difference. The difference lies in the meanings of these two sentences. Option C says Galactic Enterprises increased its revenues by garnering the widget market in the fourth quarter by making Galactic Enterprises the world's most profitable company and the darling of Wall Street. So, did it increase its revenue by making Galactic Enterprises most profitable company, or that was the result of, right?
हाँ.
By cornering the widget market in the fourth quarter, thus making Galactic Enterprises the world's most profitable company and the darling of Wall Street. That makes sense,
Yes.
right? So the right answer is
B.
option D. Question 4. After firing Danny, his boss discovered that not only had he skimmed money from the cash register, he in addition sexually harassed a female co-worker. Yeah, tell me. It should be like 10-second question, not more than that. Come on. What's the answer?
हाँ सर
C.
C. Why? Simply because we know not only X but
But
also
also.
Y, right? That
Yes.
kind of
और वो एक ही
construction
था, एक ही option था.
that is present only in this option, right? Although this is good enough, but let's look at other options as well. He in addition, okay, the problem is he in addition, again the construction does not, his boss discovered not only had he skimmed but also that kind of construction we need. He had sexually money from the cash register, he had sexually, I mean, I guess this is good enough reason to reject all other options.
Yes.
He had also sexually harassed, but his female was sexually harassed. All of them are incorrect, basically. We are left with only option. Let's move to next. Unlike other scholars, the eminent mythologist has concluded that the stories of G and O record the transition from age of matriarchal religious authority to that of patriarchal political power. Yes, what's the answer?
सर एक ही कहा था बिकॉज बाकी तो सब अजीब लग रहे थे.
Unlike other scholars, so here it's comparing other scholars with conclusion. So it's an incorrect comparison. Similarly, unlike other scholars, again we are comparing conclusion with other scholars. Unlike those of other scholars, the eminent mythologists' conclusions are.
Yes.
Sorry.
ये होगा सर, क्योंकि इसमें those of other scholars मतलब उनके भी conclusions और eminent mythologists के conclusions.
So let's keep this as well. The eminent mythologists, unlike those of other scholars, so basically here we are comparing the mythologists with something of other scholars, which is incorrect comparison.
Yes.
Out of A and D, why you would go with A? Tell me.
सर उसमें सिंपली लिखा है कि मतलब अदर स्कॉलर एंड माइथोलॉजिस्ट का ही कंपैरिजन हो रहा है.
Sorry, in D, what's happening?
ए में स्कॉलर्स एंड माइथोलॉजिस्ट का ही कंपैरिजन हो रहा है.